we have the teaser for Mohanlal's upcoming film. This movie is called Hridaya Purvam. So the teaser released actually over the weekend, but I was not available to react to it. So I had put it on my Instagram stories that I'll watch it on Monday. So here I am, and what I am seeing in the description, wait a second. So director is Satyan Anthikad. Have I watched his any of his work? I'm not able to recall this name actually, but you guys can correct me in the comments. And we have Malvika Mohanan also in this film. So yeah, let's watch this teaser. It's just 1 minute. Let's go. So Hridaya means heart.
Where
what does that
from?
mean?
Kerala.
Purvam.
Oh, nice. I love Malayalam film industry. Very sensible. But my girlfriend, she's totally Bollywood style.
I also love
This
Malayalam
what this
film
stuff
industry.
I'm doing just for her. But I love Fafa, man.
Papa.
Fat Fasil.
Oh.
Avisham, Kumbalangi Nights. What a performance. Ice drama. Kadak.
Nice drama. Yes.
But we have good senior actors also.
No. Only Fafa.
Only Fafa?
Yes.
Okay. Straight from the heart. Okay. This is so cute. This is so cute and kind of relatable also because Fahad was, I mean, when I had watched Trans, guys. Okay, let me first stop this. You guys have also asked me to react to the advertisement of Lalita, which has just released because it's apparently going super viral. I've seen a couple of clips. It's a jewelry brand, but after this recording, I'll definitely sit for that. But coming to this was highly relatable because I remember when I had watched Trans, I was mesmerized. You know, the eyes and all, what he's talking about. Yes. And all of us who have gotten introduced to Malayalam cinema, like during pandemic, I think Fafa is like the name on it just rolls off. It just rolls off our tongues, guys. So yeah, highly relate. I could see myself in that guy. But when the guy said, the eyes and all, only Fafa, then Mohanlal said, there are senior actors also, because we say that Lalita expresses through his eyes, and that is so freaking true. So freaking true. So yes, I like that meta reference to himself. I think it was that is what I'm assuming, but it was very sweet. And then we get that song. So it's a very nice feel-good film. Oh man, seeing Mohanlal in these roles, yes, I loved him in Thudarum. Obviously, I mean, he has that intense part in the film, but the whole family dynamics and him being just a family man, I think that really was something that all of us wanted to see Lalita do. And here also, when I'm seeing straight from the heart, this is definitely a feel-good film, and I don't want to be clowned because I said the same thing when Thodarum's teaser had released, that finally we are getting a happy-go-lucky movie with Mohanlal, and then now I'm saying the same thing for this. But I hope this time I'm not wrong. And I'm not shook by the trailer whenever it releases. But this looks like a nice, light-hearted family drama. He looks great. He looks absolutely... I love that sleek hairdo that they have given him over here. The styling looks amazing. So yes, very beautiful, very nice. The Fafa reference is definitely for us new gen Malayalam cinema lovers for sure. But overall, this teaser looks great, very nice, beautiful, put a smile on my face, and I would love to see Lalita doing more such roles. Like, this is like his zone, that subtle comedy, and him being just so charming. This is his like zone. He's gonna nail it. We all know that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this reaction at that thought. And that was my reaction for Hridaya Purvam. And I'm gonna sign off now. And then after editing this video, I will watch the viral ad of the jewelry brand. So yes, wait for that as well. So I'm gonna sign off now, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.